This is Andy with Quality Stocks. Today's Thursday, June 24th, 2010. We're going to take a look at a NASDAQ Global Market stock, ICO Global Communications Holdings, trades under the ticker ICOG. Look at the candles. We can see an increase in volume yesterday, so it tried to take out the top. One of those cases where the MACD and PPO are very similar to each other. See the ADX, it's in a kind of a pincher sort of setup with the ADX up a little bit high, not too terribly high, just over 30, breaking back down. Nice setup of the positive and negative DIs, a bullish cross of them yesterday. MFIs all moving together. I reference I like to see them moving together, not getting too much separation between the 7 and the 14. So that's in a good position. See, we've got a very nice uptrend going on. Somewhere through there for the accumulation distribution, but we've seen the charts in an uptrend. We're going to come back and touch on that in a second. Chaikin money flow about to break back below zero, something we don't want to see. We want to see this make a turn. CCI over 100. Some people, they'll call that oversold. Other people look at it as it's in what they call a power zone. I use it just as a kind of overall. I like to see it somewhere around zero. I primarily use the CCI to watch it when it's breaking from the bottom side, breaking from under negative 100, coming up through, back up towards zero. So I'm not too terribly concerned if that's up over 100 right at the moment. Full still also coming down. Tricks holding above zero with a slight uptrend to it. What I see primarily in this chart is it's trying to take out the top. Basically what this has going on, we'll put a trend line through this area, right through there. Most importantly, right through there. You can see that it's struggling repeatedly with the 164, 167, 165. Yesterday, a spike up to 174 and back down. Strong area of resistance through there. Even with a little increase in volume yesterday with some buying pressure, it still didn't hold above it. We're going to look for this, though, to try and make another run at it. What you really want to see happen is hold this 50-day moving average at $1.49. Make sure it holds that, tries to bounce off of it, and takes another run at taking this top out. You want to see it with good volume, move up above it, put a candle above it, and even if it wants to come back down, see that area hold. This chart's still very bullish. See the 200-day, the 50-day. Hold it trading above both of those is a very bullish chart, and it's got kind of a ascending triangle look to it. This is only a 6-month chart. If we pulled it back farther, you'd see it's got a little bit. You could take this and cut it a little bit more if you wanted to, and put a trend line somewhere through this area. I'm just not going to do that because I'm looking at this chart overall. I'm not sure if it's going to want to come back down, but it's got my eye to take out the top and look for this to try and make a continuation and make a stronger move. So that's what I'll be looking for with ICOG today and over the next few days. Again, look for volume, hold the 50-day, take out this resistance with some strength. These indicators are still in a good enough position where it can do that. We'll see some things like the CMF Chaikin money flow will make its rebound. Full still will turn and go. So primarily, I'll be watching for this resistance to fall. It's not a buy until that resistance goes and it holds above it. This is Andy with Quality Stocks. Take a look at ICOG.